So hello guys, my name is Heria and today we are going to make a calculator in Python. This is more efficient working calculator in Python. So first we will define all the addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Then we will put these commands: print, select operation, press 1 to add, 2 to subtract, 3 to multiply and 4 to divide. While true, if the user presses 1, 2, 3 or 4, then it will ask, enter the choice 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so if the choice is in 1, 2, 3, 4, number 1 is also a float value, means a decimal number, and number 2 should also be a float value. Or else if you put number like 2, so it would assume as 2.00. If choice is equal to 1, if the user presses 1, which is add, so the command will do number 1 input by the user and number 2 input by the user. So 2 plus 2, which is 4. Then we have defined add. If the choice is 2, then it is subtraction. So number 1 input by the user and number 2 input by the user. 2 minus 2 0. Subtract defined. If the choice is 3, means if the choice is 3, then number 1 by the user and number 2 by the user. Number 1 into number 2 is equal to number 1 2. If choice is equal to 4, print number 1 by the user, number 2 by the user. Number 4 is divide, so 2 divided by 2 1. Divide defined. Then break means to stop. And if the user give a break means leave. Else Else, if the user presses enter directly or any other number than 1, 2, 3, 4, so it will print invalid input. Means there is no proper input for the command to run. Okay. So people will ask that why we are writing this. Without this also we can run the program. See, first I will show you to run the program without this. See, now 4 errors are coming. Now I will show you it. Wait, wait. Number 2. Wait. Yes. Now we will press run. Here, run. I am today using Visual Studio Code. So first, 1 to add, 2 to subtract, 3 to multiply, and 4 to divide. So now I will press here 3. 3 means multiply. First number 2, second number 2. 2 into 2, 4 it should be. But there is a error coming. Trace back, most recent calls, etc. etc. It means that a multiplication is not defined. See, multiply is not defined means the computer doesn't know, the program doesn't know what to do, what is multiplication. And by this 4 lines, it defines the multiplication. I will run it again. Wait. No errors will come. I will press 3 again, 2 into 2, 2 into 2, 4. Why this is coming 2.0 and 2.0? Because we have here taken float value. So that is it for today, guys. Today we learned how to make an simple calculator in Python that is more efficient. Thank you.